You riding the horsey? Is that a unicorn? Ride him. Did you do a jump? Oh, you fell off the horsey. Whoa, ride the big horsey. Can you ride the big horsey? The big horsey, that one. You're going to ride Max? How do you get the horsey to go? How do you get the horsey to stop? You say yeehaw to get it to stop too? Or do you go whoa?